alkali metal, the properties, they have low melting point, boiling points compared to most other metals. They are very soft and can be cut easily with a knife. They have low densities, lithium, sodium, potassium will float on water. You see how amorphous, yesterday we saw that, right? Very, very amorphous, and the top also will be anatomy. You saw the follow-up also of the patient yesterday, how he was talking. And if you see those type of this thing, and you compare with people like Argentum or Brahma, these remedies, you see how their talk is. You feel that their talk is grounded. Whereas Kali's, lithiums, natrum, magnesium, their talk is very superficial, floating. They are never grounded to what they talk. Because that's the reason why we use the word clinging. Clinging person will not be grounded. They are always floating. Next. Like all the group 1 elements, they are very reactive. They must be stored under oil to keep air and water away from them. Group 1 elements form alkaline solutions when they react with water, which is why they are called as alkali metals. Next. And then we go with this column 1 remedies: hydrogen, lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium and caesium. Cannot do things on their own. You saw yesterday what patient was telling? That's why natrum, if you go to see, 2 types of natrum. The one which is aggressive natrum and one which is suppressed natrum. The suppressed natrum goes a lot into getting depressed and getting, sort of aloofness. Whereas the violent natrum will react at every small incident. And that reaction will be in the type of breaking things. So the pathology that comes from the first problem for that matter is all about if it is at an explosion level, too much of suppression, then they will explode in the form of violent thoughts. Because as it is, they are highly insecure. And when that insecure, according to their role, props up, then they have the worst picture they can ever see. Kali.sulph per patient. Till the time everything was okay with the husband, everything was fine. But moment the husband faced a monetary loss, you could not believe it the way she became violent. Because her picture was, how could we lose money? How are we going to now run the family? That was a sensitive, fourth money issue. That was a sensitive part of the story. And that was completely bonkers. For 1 year, that female never had this sort of a picture at all. And suddenly she comes with this picture because this thing happened a couple of weeks back. And then you see a completely aggressive nature of that person. Because till that incident is not touched upon, they will remain dormant as kept under oil. But once you bring them out with this oxygen outside, they explode. Right? That's the way how the reactivity basically is. So cannot do things on their own, and that's what we saw yesterday. I cannot imagine myself. Right? So they're completely dependent. Intense childlike dependence. Mother, sister, wife is dominating. Wife is strict, he said, right? Wife is strict. So this is how there is intense childlike dominance, being dependent, clinging to whatever structure is available. Anything. Mother, wife, sister, even the child. Sana, you will look up to me, no? Sana, you will look up to me, no? Tada, what cycle? Okay, take son. Immediately the money is provided. Why? Because they need them to take care of them later. Are you getting? So they give in to all the tantrums and demands of the child. And people will look at it casually as, what a loving father. It's not loving father, it is the scene behind that is that tomorrow when he grows up, he needs the support. Are you getting this? So don't look at any cases simply humanly. अच्छा बाप है, देखो सब कुछ करे यार, क्लिनिक के लिए भी दे दिया सब कुछ, ये कर दिया वो कर दिया, लेकिन उसके पीछे स्टोरी क्या है? The story is this, that they expect that they should support them when the need comes. If you ask the person, why did you give it? Whenever the child demanded, they might resist. They will not tell you initially, oh, they will support me later. No. Label laga kya hai hoga first one of long. But they will resist. You just keep probing. What is the need? What made you do that? And then they will tell you. Ladka chahte hai na. So it's a boy na by gender. So no, when he grows up, then he is the man of the house na. Meaning, then they will tell you silent feature that he is going to take care of us. I will be needing his support later on. Slowly that will come out. Are you getting? So don't immediately just believe on face value, which will be a big blunder. Always needing somebody. Now you see here, the left hand side gives an electron. How I look at it? The left hand side gives an electron. I give up all my emotions. I give up all my likings. I give up all my desires. I give up all whatever humanly I want. I give up everything to the other person so that I can lean on that person. I am positively looking towards life. I want to lean, I want to be with the other person. I am positively looking for life. And therefore I am ready to give up everything. It's like compromising. Some Jota expressed it, first column. For everything is compromise. Because I need you. Because I want you. Because I have positive attitude towards life. And the same thing if you go to see on the other side, the right hand side, that is the 17th column, I take in an electron. So I take your nonsense and then I am negative about it. I don't want you. Enough of your nonsense I have taken it. Enough of your things that I have taken, received from you. Enough of your leaning that you have done on me. Enough. I don't want any more. बस हो गया तुम्हारा मेरे पे निर्भर करना. Every small things you are going to ask me, I feel fed up. And so therefore I have taken in enough of yours, and that's why I am negative towards this relationship. I am negative towards life. And that's the reason why I feel life is going to backstab me. Life is going to betray me. Life is going to do all sorts of negative things to me. That's where fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, all these 17 column people have negativity filled in them. Are you getting how beautiful with chemistry when you just mix it up with human life and how you can really understand the periodic table? Right? So that's the difference between the left hand side positivity towards that of what is right hand side's negativity. And then you see the combo pack of these two in the form of salt in one person is 50% negative, 50% positive.
Actually, I am a chemistry graduate.
Okay.
But when I studied chemistry, so up to this time, I never think like this. It is how it is matching with the.
You have to just merge what is happening with the remedy. You have to just merge with what is happening in the chemistry point of view, and then try to think why these salts have this funny nature. On one side there is a symptom which has got positivity towards life, and the very next symptom is giving a negativity towards life. It is because the cation shows the positive idea, whereas the anion gives a negative idea in the same frame. Right? That's how the salts are dancing, and that is one good example that you can see. For example, natrum or will contradiction. There's a contradiction between strong cation natrum to that of anti-version of negativity of muriaticum. And when this happens in one person, I as natural mode, one side is positively looking towards life, leaning on to, other side of me is looking at the negative aspect of someone is going to betray me. That is the contradiction that is happening in my own mind, which is I am trying to find out that, and if someone else tries to come and tell me something, it is not possible. If you have noticed yourself when you are severely angry and someone comes and tries to tell you, no, it's okay, take it cool, what would be your reaction? Your reaction would be all the more worst. So imagine people like natural mode, they will go blasting out. It's not only worst, it is like a big collision that's happening between muriatic and natural. And worst, more than that is that sodium part retains it and never forgets it. So God save me if you have a spouse who is a natural muriaticum person. For years together they will remember it. Even though you might have forgotten what was the incidents. Right? Next. Love sick. That love sick is not love as such. The love sick is need you for every opinion. Need you for help. Need you to roll the chapatis. Need you to roast the chapatis. Need you to stir the vegetable. Need you to wash the utensil. Need you to help the person. Which will be, if it is the other person is oral, or other person is some heavy metal, or the other person is some raptor, or the other person is some dominating personality, then you see what is the thing that is going to happen. This one is too clingy and that is too independent. So oral love sick is not pyar. Love sick is I need you in my presence. Always.
But in Materia Medica, if you go, a lady can go with the driver or any inappropriate.
Why? Because that is the person who is ready to mold according to her. They find partners who can mold. That's why they say, I liked him because he's like a fatherly figure. What's a fatherly figure? The one who has always provided and given to all my demands. So the need a person who will give in to my demands. Are you getting? So that is what is basically, they look for that type of a person. Or if they do not get, they stay alone and fall lovesick. They need that person in life. They cannot manage themselves alone. So for them, okay, mother is there, na?
If they find that person is not suitable after some days,
they fall in love with other married man. That is continuously going to happen. Whereas for them, if the other person does it, then it is a big tragedy for them.
But why married men?
Because they are experienced. And they will help all their needs. And they will give it to all their needs. Because they are mature. That's why the fatherly figure. They will not get married to, or they will not look into a person who is younger to them. Because then they will have to do which they do not know. Right? That's the reason why the married man has come. Simply because that married person is experienced. That married person is mature. That married person knows about life, which she or he doesn't know, the natural person. And therefore I am safe and secure with this person who knows everything about life. If I have to fall in love with someone who is younger to me, oh my God, I am gone case, that person also will be gone case, the whole ship will be sinking there. Right? This is how what we call is talking with materia medica. then you have to actually ask what was the reason. You will definitely find this reason. At least when I grow old, they are younger, still managing me. There is a reason, definite reason for these natural people. Without that, they will never ever fall into all these type of things. They have got definite reason. Suppose the person in 50s falling in love with a person who is just in 20s, the person will think at least another 10 years down the line, she will be 30, still more matured enough for the situation, can manage me. Because I cannot manage my own self. This male, Natrum or male, will get married to a person who is far younger, but calculating in that also. For them, relation is a need of their insufficiency. That too much selfish Natrum never. That's the reason why they can be so clever in calculating what they are doing.